Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is your expert and today we're gonna be looking at the EcoXgear SolJam. This is a speaker with a solar panel included. So that means that we actually can just simply charge it with the sun. So it will be perfect for any outdoorsy, just put it in a boat maybe, or maybe your ATV or whatever you guys can actually find it, and it will charge with the sun. So today we're gonna be unboxing this thing and I'm gonna play a little bit for you guys with some royalty-free music so you guys can actually hear it and see it how it goes, right? So let me go ahead and start by saying one more time that this is the EcoXgear SolJam speaker. It's an HD solar waterproof speaker. So this one comes with the EcoCast. So that means that if you by any chance buy 50 of them, you can actually go ahead and pair them up and they will all play the same music. Or if you have another EcoXgear product with the same function, which is the EcoCast, you guys will be able to actually play the same music on both devices at the same time with just one smartphone. So let's go ahead and take a quick look see at the box over here. You guys can actually see the unit. You guys can actually see the beautiful design that EcoXgear always gives you on all the boxes over there. They really show up their love for what they are doing, right? So this one is the HD solar waterproof rugged speaker. This one has optimized stereo sound. It's a 20-watt speaker, so it will give you pretty much loud volume in open spaces. So that will be perfect for going outside or whatever you guys want to do with it. It has spotty lights, so that means that the lights will actually go around with the RGB lights will go around with the music, or you can just leave it in one setting, right? So it will be perfect for camping, just in case if you drop it or you don't have much light, it will give you a little bit of light on the unit itself. It has the EcoCast, so that means that you will be able to pair up to 50 of them or with any other model that has the same feature as the EcoCast for EcoXgear, right? You can also use it as a power bank, so that's pretty much amazing because this thing will charge with the sun. So that means that you don't have to plug it in and you can use it to charge your other devices, which is pretty good. You guys can actually see over here that the solar is two times more efficient. It's rugged, small size, high output. I agree with that. The audio has dual speakers with 20 watts peak power. It has a large subwoofer. It has a built-in mic and speakerphone and stereo sound for Bluetooth 5.0. So that means that you can also talk to your phone by using the speaker. You can actually answer calls, talk to your assistant like Siri and or OK Google. And over here you have it, IP67 waterproof. This means that this is waterproof and dust proof. I will give you the explanation of Wikipedia on the description so you guys can actually know exactly what IP67 means, and you guys can actually go ahead and do a little bit more research. It has a 12-hour playtime with lithium-ion battery, has a universal mount. So this one's pretty much a 1/4-inch mount, just in case if you want to mount it somewhere. It's a basic, pretty much like a standard mount for anything. And what you get, so you get the SolJam, one carabiner, a USB cable, and the user guide. So let's get inside this unit to see what's going on. Oh, also floats. So just in case, drop it in the water, it will be good. You have a 1-year warranty, IP67, EcoCast, and charge. You can also use it as a power bank. So according to my understanding, this one is the newer version because they also had the SolJam before, but they didn't have lights, and I think you couldn't actually charge your devices. So this must be the newer version of the SolJam, but very important now seems to be that they kept the same name, and it's just basically they made the same unit just again one more time with the same name, but improved it overall. So we're gonna go ahead and take a quick look-see over here to open this up. Right, I'm missing one plastic tab over here. Alrighty, if you guys give me 1 second, I will be able to get this open for you. Or maybe the video will be just me open this thing up. All right, I'm in. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for your patience. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open the box real quick. First thing, I get a pull boxy over here. All right, I got a brown box, and I think over here comes out the speaker. All right, bear with me guys. All right. Okay, perfect, guys. So I do have the speaker right here in front of me. Again, their presentation and their packing for EcoXgear. I think I say this in every video of every product they open from them, but it's pretty much amazing. All right, so let me take this one out and put this somewhere over here. Alrighty, and guys, this is the EcoXgear SolJam. It looks pretty much like a futuristic type of speaker, right? It has a very cool design. Has some graplets over here just in case if you guys want to maybe, I don't know if you guys want to strap it in. All right, so here is the waterproof compartment. I'm pretty sure that and here is the solar panel. So that means all you guys have to do is peel the sticker off and you guys will be able to just put it in the sun and voila, it will start charging. Over here, if you guys actually can see with the lining, you guys will see the dual speakers right here, the logo, their grill. It's metallic, all right? It's coated with something. And the feel of the speaker, it's pretty much like rubbery, right? So like hard rubber, pretty good. I'm pretty sure this is for waterproofness and all of that good stuff. All right, let's take a quick look-see at the cardboard box with some other stuff over here. Let me see what we get. All right, pretty much straightforward. Let me open this little baggie. All right, we get a USB-C charging cord. All right, so this one's USB-C, very important. And let me just take everything out of the little baggie and show you guys. Okay, so here's my carabiner. So this one, it's a 1/4-inch mount, and the mount on the speaker, it's right here just below it. So you guys can actually see the huge subwoofer that this unit has. And over here, you guys can see the mount. So that means that this little carabiner will actually screw in there and you guys can actually just hang the speaker if you like, or if you like, guys would like to mount it on something. Let's say your I don't know, your ATV's handlebar or whatever, right? So you guys whatever you guys can think of, it will be possible with a 1/4-inch mount. This is pretty much standard in the industry and it's pretty much super easy to get. There are some better than the others, so I will recommend you to do your research on mounts and actually get a good brand. You guys get a user manual over here, print it out. You guys get a sticker for swag, so remember to stick this out somewhere where you guys can actually show your friends. Over here we have a warranty card, just in case, right? They also have in their website the warranty cards electronically, so you guys don't actually have to fill that up. But if you're old school like me, I like to fill them up and mail them up. So that way I know they have like hard proof that actually this one they actually received it. All right, so over here we have a little bit of an EcoCast party. So that means that they have multiple products that will allow you to actually do EcoCasting. And these are basically the models that you can actually go ahead and get all paired up together and playing at the same time. So we have a Boulder Max over here, Eco Journey. We have a soundbar, the 26-inch SolJam, which is this unit that we're looking at, the Eco Extreme 2, and the Extreme Subwoofer ES08. So you guys can actually get this one. So you know exactly, just in case if you buy one of these units and you want to pair them up, this one will be your guide to know exactly what else do you need to purchase in order to make sure that they are actually compatible with each other. So without further ado, and after a long time of me just talking a lot of things about the unit, let's fire it up and let's see how it goes. So I'm going to press and hold the power button here. Nothing is happening. All right, so for this unit, let me open the waterproof compartment in the back. This one is really sealed tight. Remember, it has to be waterproofed. And we have a master power on switch right here. We have also the connection for the USB-C charging. And we have a USB connection in order for you to charge your devices by using this thing. Remember, if this cap is off, it's no longer waterproof. So make sure that if you're charging something, just keep it away from the water. You guys also have an AUX IN 3.5mm connection over here, just in case if you guys want to go ahead and hook up something. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the master power mode. Okay. Close this up.
Ready to connect.
Automatically turn on. Great. And let me go ahead and make sure to go ahead and do a quick connection over here. Okay, I have a Android device over here. I'm just gonna activate the Bluetooth. I'm gonna hit search. This is the secret for Android. Always hit search and you will see over here in your available list, EcoXgear. This one is this one. And as soon as it's paired, the unit will actually show you.
Your phone is connected.
That your phone is connected. Simple as that. So I'm gonna play a little bit of royalty-free music at a very low volume so I don't overcome me talking, right? So this one's a little bit of, just a little bit of music, right? You guys can actually hear over there. I'm hoping you're hearing over there. With this little button, you will be able to turn on the lights that you guys can actually see over here. I got white. I got another setting that seems to be, okay, so I got another white. Oh no, it's changing colors, right? And then, all right, now it's green, now it's red, now it's blue. And I think the next mode will be reacting to the music, but the music has to be really loud in order for the speakers to kick in with the music. So let me just lower down the volume. I like this one better because it just cycles through all the colors on the unit itself. I can answer my phone. Here is the EcoCast button. So if you get another EcoXgear product and you don't have this guide that it comes with the unit, just make sure that your other products have the same button. Looks like a little sun. And that way you know that they are compatible between each other. Over here we have the solar panel. And guys, this is the EcoSolJam newer version, newer generation with body lights, power bank, and solar charging. So let me know what you think in the comments. And again, guys, your support means everything to me. If you really like the video, just smash that like button over there, subscribe to the channel. I'll bring you more products. I'll bring you more stuff for you to look at before you actually make a purchase so you can make an informed decision. Guys, you can contact me on the comments. I will try to reply to most of them. At this point, it's really not an issue. So if you guys have any questions about the products or how is it working, did you already test it in the water, or whatever questions you may actually come up with, I will give you an answer in the comments. So just hit me up. I'll be more than happy to help you there. And if you bought actually one of these units and you're having some sort of issue, just make sure to contact EcoXgear. They are a very friendly customer service and they will help you out with whatever you need. So just make sure to actually go ahead and let them know that you are having an issue so they can actually go ahead and help you out. Again, guys, your support means everything to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll bring you another video next Sunday, so just stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if you like my kind of content. I really appreciate your support, guys. I want to go ahead and emphasize on that. And I would like to go ahead and thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys have a great week. See you next Sunday.